So hey guys, so today we're going to do with our fidget spinner, and Seth is also going to have a turn. So me and Seth just got these. Seth, should you show yours?
Yeah, first let me find it here. Hold it.
Okay, I'll hold the camera.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
So here it is.
Here's Seth. So Seth, film again. So guys, we're gonna both doing some tricks. So first it's gonna be me, then Seth. So if you're like a beginner and you just got your fidget spinner, this is what you should do. You hold these fingers like these. This is the middle finger. This is your thumb. And you put them on your fidget spinner. I'm using my right hand because I'm a righty. And you just charge it up like to your finger like this. And it goes really fast. Then it took me for a while to do this because Ethan has one. And I practice with it. And it takes for a while. And mine has little bumps inside. Seth, let me see yours. And his, it's just straight. So if you had this, it'll take a little time to get used to. And I just got to do it with his. But, there's his. And here's this. So let's get started. So this is one of the easiest ones. Putting it on your knee. You could just do that. But I've never done by when I was extending my knee. I did it. So you could try that, and that was my very first time. Try that. To do that. And I'm gonna try it on my head. Like, some of these tricks are gonna be for like harder than beginners, because I've been practicing with my brothers. Here it is. And I've never done it with my nose, and this is like an expert trick. Why always the eye? Let me just see if I could. 1 second. Tick, 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 tick. Okay. So now let's hand the time over to Seth.
So here's my red fidget spinner. And then the back. And then this is how you spin it. Okay, so I'm doing it with my knee. Oh. It fell!
Where is it? Let me see if it's
right there on Ethan's bed.
Oh, there it is. Oh, the sun. Can you close the blinds? Or is it that close?
Oh.
Sorry about the sun, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So
So-
can you go right here? Seth, the sun. No.
Oh. So,
And there's
Now
some
this-
background noise.
yes, my mom and my baby sister. So here's a trick. So, like what Quinn said, if you're a beginner, you got put it. I'm a whitey, so you just have to go. And then in the video you see turns that go that way and that. So So let's go outside.
Guys, 1 second.
Let's see if we can make it downstairs when it's still spinning. So, here it is.
So guys, we're outside.
Yeah, and it started. Like
Can you film now?
Oh,
Oh.
the fidget spinner's gone.
What?
Except for those.
There's Ethan's buttons. He wanted to spray paint them.
Yeah.
So can you film me now?
Yeah.
Let's go in the shade. So guys, one more thing I'm just gonna note. So we can do that. 1 second. Let me try it right on my pointer. Oh. Oh guys, 1 second, I want to show you. We have an RSL ball and this ball. Great for catching it.
Yeah.
It says wait.
So
Hey, I need to tell them one thing. Hey guys, if you guys want us to do a fidget spinner giveaway, we have to have like close to like 50,000 subscribers. So if you guys would want one, you should like this video, subscribe or comment if you want us to do number 2, a fidget spinner, and with Ethan.
So, we're not all done.
Yeah.
So, all the stuff is you want to get it fast. I like it fast.
And let's put it like this.
Whoop. I'm going around corner with circles.
Oh!
Ah!
I spin it and No,
Oh.
it says I really hurt my thumb.
Oh. Okay.
Oh! And we can do this. Voila! We just got these fidget spinners today. And if you guys want to see our goal, you can. It's right there, but I'm gonna put it back, and you could. Ow! 1 second.
Quit eye.
Hey, I did. Yeah.
So me and my brother just been to a soccer game, 11 to 1.
We both have the same jerseys.
Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna try and run in this. Okay, that's perfect.
Hey, I'll try to run too. Ooh.
Oh.
Ah! I dropped mine too. It says ours can get very muddy. Ah.
Okay, so this is gonna be the end of our video of fidget spinners.
And tell us if you want to do a part 2. No, this is not number 2. This is number 1.
Oh yeah.
And if you guys want us to do a part 2, just let us know in the comment section below. And we'll put it in the description. I hope, maybe not.
So
Like what these fidget spinners are, you could get different colors, so that's how.
at 7-Eleven, or you could just order
No,
them?
at Amazon. That's where we got those from. And there's fidget spinners at 7-Eleven. So guys, we're going to see you guys in the next episode. Maybe a fidget spinner episode. Bye! Oh yeah! Woo!